Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Ninja Gaiden, Ragebound, crashing, not launching, stuck on loading screen or black screen issue on PS5. So let's jump to the solution. The first solution is to restart your PS5. Press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and press the power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires and turn on your PlayStation, launch the game and check problem fixed or not. Second solution is to log out and log in. Just log out from your PlayStation Network account. To do this, go to Settings, Users and Accounts, Other, Sign Out. Wait for a few minutes and then log in back. If you have another secondary account, then log in with that and then check if that works. Third solution is to restore license. On a PS5, go to Settings, click on Users and Accounts, scroll down and go to Other, then go to Restore Licenses, select Ninja Gaiden Ragebound game and then select Restore. Select Yes to confirm and then launch the game and check. Fourth solution is to change console language. On your PS5 settings, navigate to System, go to Language section and then select your current language. Try changing it to English or any other language and then check if problem is fixed or not. Fifth solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. Go to PS5 settings, navigate to Network, go to Settings, set up Internet connection, press the option buttons. In Wi-Fi frequency, switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz. Switch between these two frequency and then launch the game and check which one works for you. Sixth solution is to disable enable HDCP. Go to PS5 settings, select System and then choose HDMI tab. Turn off enable HDCP. Now check problem fixed or not. If not, then repeat the process and this time turn on enable HDCP and then check. Seventh solution is to rebuild database on PS5. Simply switch off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound. Then release the button. Your console will boot into safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database. OK. Launch Ninja Gaiden Ragebound and then check if the problem is solved or not. Eighth solution is to delete game data and cache, but please make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. So go to Settings, Save Data and Game/App Settings, select Save Data PS5 and navigate to Console Storage, Delete. Select Ninja Gaiden Ragebound, then select Delete. OK. Now restart your console and then try to launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to change DNS server. Open PlayStation settings and navigate to Network, set up Internet connection. Choose your internet type and select your internet connection when prompted. Then select Custom and select Automatic option for the IP address. Select Do Not Specify for the DHCP hostname. In the DNS settings, select Manual and enter the primary DNS as 8888 and secondary DNS as 8844. This is a Google DNS. And for the proxy server, choose Do Not Use and then launch the game and see. If that doesn't work, then repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS use 1111 and in secondary DNS use 1001. It is a Cloud4 DNS and then launch the game and check. 10th solution is to reinstall or transfer the game to the SSD. If you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Ninja Gaiden Ragebound game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.